How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through my favorite setups for the upcoming week, give you my game plan, how I'm going to handle these trades, my exact supply and demand, support and resistance, and at the end of this, I have an individual stock on watch. But before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into SPY here. As you can see here, I have supply and demand charted out. You're looking at the hourly chart. Now this supply is kind of a wide zone. It ranges from about 416 to like 418.3. I guess an ideal entry for me on this for a reject would have to be up around this 417.6 to 418 area for puts. I have to see how it lines up with my SPX levels, what volume looks like, and possibly even wait on a nice reversal candle on a lower time frame before entering. Now, that being said, we could very well reject this bottom of this zone. So if we do, same thing here. I'm going to be looking for a nice reversal candle, look for some confirmation because it has, it's been a strong area. It's something to watch this week, even if you're not going to trade it. Chart these levels out, watch them, learn, study how it behaves in that zone. It's all about learning. Never stop learning. I don't care how long you've been doing this. It's very, very important. Very important to put in time daily learning. Well, the demand zone I have down here is a little bit tighter, 403.7 to 404.5. That's where I'm going to be looking to take some calls on SPY once we get down to that area. Again, let's wait on confirmation. A nice reversal candle on the lower time frames is probably what I'm going to look for. Like to see a change in volume, look for some buyers to come into the market. Basically all the same levels on SPX from last week. I did add one more. These are levels I'm going to be looking at to confirm my SPY trades. For example, if we're right here and I'm looking to go long on SPY, I will not buy calls because we're right below a big resistance. You buy calls on SPY, if SPX is right below a big resistance, it's going to hit it, come down, stop you out. Same thing as support. Say we have a nice support here. If we're right above this, I'm not going to buy puts because you can come down, hit it, stop you out. You gotta use these levels when you're trading SPY to help guide your trade. Write it on a sticky note, stick it to your computer, whatever you gotta do. This little tip will save you some money. I've got caught on the wrong end of this, so hope it helps you all out. Now, for my futures traders out there, I do have some supply and demand levels here on ES. We will be looking for some setups pre-market on my Instagram live like we always do. But as far as supply and demand, this is the safest levels I can find you all, the real clear ones to me. Anytime I'm creating levels, supply and demand, support and resistance, I do not like to strain my eyes to see it. If it's not clear, I simply do not trade it. Now, for the individual stock that we are watching, yes, that is a fib that you see here because we are approaching all-time highs on Apple. What are we, like 10 points or so away? Not too far away, yeah. Less than 10 points away from all-time high on Apple. But for me, what I want to see for a nice trade on Apple, I want to see us pull back to this 170 area for a possible entry for calls. That 170 to 169.7. So I want to see Apple pull back. I want to see how price action looks down here for a possible call entry for a continuation. Very simple setup, but Apple has some strength. They had good earnings come in. Like I said, they're approaching the all-time high. I feel like they want it. So we'll see what they look like when they pull back to that 170 area, if they give us that. That's all I have for this upcoming week. I hope you all are inside Team Bull Trading live with me. If you aren't, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Come join us. We trade live there every single day. Got so much education. We have the best members in the world in there. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.